Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to today's video on the best snake plant pot for optimal growth. Watch till the end to find out our best recommendation from the list. Our list starts out with Fox Fern Large 12-inch Planter. The Fox Fern Large 12-inch Planter is one of the excellent pots you can choose for growing your snake plants. This pot is perfect for ensuring the healthy growth of any sizable indoor plant, and you can use it in your home, office, or garden. It also has a unique drainage design with a removable plug that allows you to drain excess water only when necessary. Besides, you can choose between bamboo, dark bamboo, and acacia planter stands that are offered for free. It's made from durable and lightweight fiber stone, making it 70% lighter than ceramic pots and weather resistant. Its distinctive material and durability imply you can grow snake plants in different environments. Gardenix Decor Self-Watering Planters 3-pack. This pot has the unique advantages of an excellent self-watering system that comes as a set of 3. You can go up to 10 days without frequently watering your snake plant. It is made of high-quality polypropylene, making it unbreakable and weather-resistant. It also has the benefit of eco-friendliness, as it allows using of 100% organic cocoa soils, which are superior in water retention. Even when you have a busy schedule, you can still conveniently grow your snake plants easily, because with the pot, you do not have to water them regularly. Ceramic Plant Pots 6 and 5-inch Planter. The ceramic plant pots 6 and 5-inch planter is ideal for growing succulent indoor plants like snake plants. This ceramic planter has blue and yellow hexagonal patterns, providing a retro vibe for any room, office desk, shelves, or coffee desk. Like the other two brands, it is ideal for succulent indoor plants because of its water sufficiency. This pot is durable as its ceramic is baked at high temperatures, implying that you will not have to worry about easy breakage or cracks that can affect the growth of your snake plant. Which is the best? The Gardenix Decor Self-Watering Planters 3-pack is the best option for the perfect growth of snake plants. Its unique self-watering mechanism allows you to apply minimum effort and allows self-regulated drainage. It is particularly ideal for succulent indoor decor like snake plants. Thanks for watching.